All right, the question is, how do I know when my tires are no good? Let's take a look. All right, so we can see here, this tire is done. This is an easy one to be able to tell. When you look at this, you can tell because we've gone through the outer tread and we're getting into inner wall. This is an unsafe tire. So the question becomes, how do you check? So on a tire, there are these wear bars right there. And that's how you know when your tire's about done. So, you know, here's a quarter. You can see that, you know, there's nothing left in this tread. So let's take a look at a tire that's okay. So here's a tire that is okay. So you can see here the difference between the wear bar and the tread. And when we get down here in our quarter test, you can see that we've definitely got some tread. So why is this tire so much better than that tire? So when you're making turns, especially right-hand turns, there's more friction on this tire, right? There's a load that gets put on that. As you're turning, it's a shorter distance than the other tires, and so there's a tiniest bit more friction that wears these down. Another thing that can cause a tire to wear out quicker is to be overinflated or underinflated. And you should check your owner's manual on your car to see what the PSI that it's asking for or the markings on your tire. Another thing that can cause that is misalignment. So if a tire is out of alignment, it'll wear out quickly. I don't think this car's alignment is the problem, but we'll have it checked. But this tire is bad. So the way that you help your tires to all kind of wear down together is every 3 to 6 months, have your tires rotated. So there's a pattern that they follow that they'll move the tires to different spots on the car. That way you have even wear on your tires, and this will help account for any slight differences in alignment. Depending on how you drive, and you'll get more wear. Every vehicle has kind of its own wear issues. In this case, we've got 3 good tires and 1 bad. We can put the spare on this for the time being, and then we could have the spare changed to this and then only replace the spare. That'd save some money. So again, the thing you're looking for those wear bars. So when that comes even with the tread, you know you are done. This tire's way done. This tire is super done when you start seeing that inner rubber starting to show through. This tire is unsafe. So you can come here around, you can see there's a bunch of information built right into the tire. So in this case, we have max inflation on this tire is going to be 51 PSI. But we can check. So again, this particular car has sensors in the tire that will tell you the PSI. So right now, this tire is giving an error or a warning of being low pressure, but it's intermittent. So it'll go back to being normal pressure and then low pressure. So, you know, in order to come out and check this, we can just push here. This is an air filler for my compressor, but it has a tire pressure gauge. So you can use any tire pressure gauge and put that on the stem and give it a read. So we're about 30 PSI, which I believe 30 to 35 is the running PSI for this tire, according to what the car wants. So what that tells me is the sensor in this tire is going bad. So there's a battery powered sensor that transmits to the onboard computer. So we need to, when we get this tire replaced, let them know that sensor is either needs to be replaced or adjusted. Next time, maybe we'll look at how do we change a tire.
That's what my dad taught me. Thanks for watching.